So this basically. Oh, you can wait for me there. Yeah. So this side we have males, and it's a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toilets. And this side is showers. Let me show you a shower. So the shower opens up at the top. All of the water goes in. Shut yourself in there, and you clean up. You go over here. There's a urinary, another shower. It's quite lovely. And then all the pipes, so the water comes, no shower head. So what you can do here is to put a shower head so you all clean up very beautifully. But urinals. And at the moment there's somebody in there doing the needful. And the lights, in case in the night, then we come out this way. So here the changing rooms. It's basically no vacuum, but they use this for other different kind of things. At the store, and over there is a tall. We're using a toll for the person who's gonna work there and stay. So basically it's the place. There's water in here. Wash your hands. Water's running. Water's running. And what's more important is this one, you need a tank. You have the water. And then you have a machine to pump all the water into. Okay. So basically that's it. Tank. The tank is a huge one, fully tank, probably 1,000, 2,000 liters. And once people come back from the beach, then they wash their hands with their feet. That's how they stand it. Wash. And that's all. Yeah, that's what people can do. It's a lucrative business. And people pay here 2 CD. And I just spoke to the guy inside. He said you can, there's in a day, there's about 50 people coming here, about 100 on a Sunday. Sunday is a quite busy place, therefore there's about 200, 500 people coming on Sunday. The Sunday in Ghana is more like a beach day, and it's quite busy. Like this is one of the easiest business to set up and then to maintain. This is quite big, like huge. It's 4 toilets, 3 showers, 2 urinals. But if you don't have money, starting it with a small budget, then you can do two boys, 2 girls, then 3 showers, which is mixed, and there's always somebody there to just check how it works. So basically, that's what you can start, probably with 50K Ghana cedi. Then you rent the land, and after renting the land, you then lease the land. And then you pay, and then all the money comes in, and then the business started. Once it grows, you go to another one, and another one, another one. And that's all we can do. Okay. And this is manually for washing your hands. Hire somebody to clean the machine with the power. Okay. Male. What a male. And got a female. And female. In case you don't know how to. What I like about this one, I can hold it like this. and then I'm recording whilst I'm talking to you.
Don't worry.
Because if you hold in a big one, that one is it even causes attention for you. Necessary attention.
Hey, he's coming to work here. I'm surprised. They take money here for everything.
Hello.
And the place is dirty too.
Hello.
I tell you.
Are you out of your mind? Hello, brother. You just serve food and drink.
They come. They come. But the ocean is full.
It's too far.
Vienna, there's toilet. That one and that one, they don't have toilet. Even the new one they are building, they don't have toilet.
Who make money from here?
Everything is manual. Thank you. Can you imagine a big man like me? One
Imagine Antahouse.
Antahouse. People are moving with Mercedes Benz. People are moving with. What is that car? That car with the horse? What is that car with the horse? Ferrari. You want me to enter Ferrari? This temper. I haven't been here in a long time. See? I see it's raffle. See now it's. You don't drink anymore, eh?
Oh, I drink. I'm not like street. I have a